Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. The month is August. We got a new battle box. Let's check it out. Alright, so here we are. We're back in August. We got another battle box. And hopefully we're going to see if Battlebox actually keeps up with being a good value, or at least something that you're not gravely disappointed with. And let's see. Alright, this is Battlebox Mission Brief number 78 is the card that we get. And let's see, it says Mission 78. Dang, it's August already, huh? So that means it is time for Mission 78 of Battlebox. This month is a banger. Great products are packed into this month's box for all sorts of preps. From food and fire to health and maintenance, this month is ready to get you prepared. So let's flip. We're not going to flip through the page. We're just going to start looking at some stuff. So, first thing we have are some cat. It's a neck lamp. It is 200 lumens, and what does this take? It takes 2 AA batteries. And basically this is just one of those jobs that you just hang it around your neck and you can actually articulate both the lights. So yeah, you just, when you put it on your neck, you can just take them and twist them around and point them wherever. So yeah, this is actually pretty good. You know, I'm a headlamp kind of guy myself. So all right, we got some ReadyWise food. We got a breakfast skillet from ReadyWise. These are oh, it's got a gusseted bottom, but these are you know, meals, or at least portion sizes that you just tear the pouch open and put a little water in to reconstitute it. You can eat it right out of the bag. Just add some hot water. And are these resealable? Yes, it even has a Ziploc type closure on it. Very good. So this is 2.5 servings per container. This would be something, you know, in the same line as like Mountain House breakfast skillet. So yeah, never tried this from ReadyWise, so this will be interesting to see how this stacks up against something like Mountain House, which will, I'm just going to throw it out here, it's probably going to be more expensive. So let's see what we got here. We got some, okay, some forehead thermometers, some strips. You know, the little strips, you just stick them on your head and it tells you what your temperature is by making the light under whatever temperature, you know, kind of be more pronounced. And this is fast, accurate reading, 15 seconds. Continuous monitoring for up to 48 hours. All right. So you can actually put it on and you can leave it on. I don't know who's going to you know, really want to run around with that thing stuck to your head all day, but I mean, hey, I guess there's some people that might want to do that. And how many of them are in here? Let's see, does it say how many of them are in here? 6. Okay, so there's 6 of these guys in here. Pretty cool. And we got some Bigfoot Bushcraft all-weather fire starters, fire plugs. And are these just some type of compressed tinder in like some petroleum jelly or something? It's kind of what it looks like. Here's the instructions. Pretty simple. Just a fire starter. Pretty big. It's a pretty big pack. It's a pretty big pack of them. This is made in Colorado, so yeah, made in the USA. All right, so we got some fire starter. So far, they're holding true to what they said in the mission brief. They got a little bit of everything. Okay, we got a tactical gun knife care kit. So you got some metal, plastic, fiberglass polish. You got some gun, knife, and bow protection. And you got some tactical matte finish cleaner, and then you have a microfiber cloth in the back there. So yeah, not too shabby. Everybody needs some stuff like this. So yeah, all right. And then we got a larger item. We got a PD100 gas mask, which, depending on what you believe in the current environment of what's going on, the effectiveness, of course, this isn't like a one of the paper masks or a cloth mask that you see people wearing. This is actually something that would give you way more protection. Okay, so this is what you get. You get two cartridges that are sealed up, which is nice to see, and it looks like there is a pre-filter. That would be that plastic. This plastic cap has the cotton pre-filter, and then the air then goes into the actual filter element. And this could be just like maybe an organic vapor type of filter, just like a general purpose filter. But yeah, let's check out this mask. So yeah, she's a full face job, that's for sure. Boy, look at that. You got some. They even give you some replacement clasp in case you break one of them. So it does have 5 clasp. You have 2 on the side, 1 on the top, 2 on the side. Let's see, it does. You can see there the inside. It works like a like a regular face mask right here, but it is actually inside a full face compartment. It does have an exhale valve right here. So yeah, pretty nifty. And it looks like it might even have some anti-fog. Yeah, it does. Yeah, so when you exhale, yeah. Is that another exhale valve? I think it might be. But yeah, you can see right here it has an exhale valve up by where your nostrils are, so that when you exhale, it doesn't fog up the lens piece right here, the main piece, because that's be unfortunate. But yeah, it looks like the filters just regular. I don't want to, of course, break the seal on them, but they just screw in right there and right there. And yeah, you got a full face. You got a full face respirator. It's not that heavy. It doesn't feel like it's really that heavy. Obviously, it's not going to do me a whole lot of good unless I get rid of all this, which I really have no intention of doing. So yeah, you get a PD100 gas mask, and it says it's made from medical grade silicone. It's made from a company called Parcel, P-A-R-C-I-L distribution.com. If you want to look them up. It says that this is good for fire escape, disaster relief, health and epidemic prevention, environmental technology, pesticide protection, chemical lab, paint, chemicals, polish, petroleum, mining, metallurgy. And it does say that these will protect you from organic vapors. So yeah, if you want to see all that, what it says it protects you from. So yeah, not a bad deal. Got you a gas mask. All right, and finally, the last thing is the knife. So let's check out the knife, which, as you guys know, this is my favorite part, and I'm being defeated by the box. All right, so this is a Williamson Copenhagen. This is a Sandvik 14C steel blade. It's called a Chibs. And you get a little Velcro. That's kind of cool. You get a little Velcro, like rubberized patch. That's got some the male type Velcro on it. And you get some little tools here. Seems like you can put on that it has a attachment here for a belt clip. So it gives you the clip and the tool and the screw to put it on. And you get a little neoprene looking bag. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, I dig the color. That's kind of cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, check that out. So it has a skeletonized part here. And it does have a little retention here. And I guess you can change that out. Yes, you can. So it looks to be the same size though. Okay, well this, as you can see, it has the chibs cut into it, and then this one does not. The replacement they give you does not. It's just a skeletonized one. But yeah, it's a really cool looking knife. I really like the design. It's very textured. This whole grip is very textured. It has like grooves cut into it. You know, it has grooves cut into it. All right, it's not that heavy. Has some very pronounced ribbing there. You can see that. It's very pronounced there on the top. Okay, that was weak. There we go. So yeah, it's a nice looking knife. It's got some texturing right here on the top. And again, this is a knife that, you know, I'm a sucker for a depression right here, which this knife does not have, but that's okay. It's okay. One thing I don't like is this choil that's right here. It's a little too small. That's a little too small, and where the blade is right here, where that blade is right there in that choil, you can actually if you grip up on it, your finger can get into that. Yeah, at least mine does. So that would be, now back here, of course, behind the opening, little stab there, it's fine. But if you try to get up on that, it's too shallow. There's not enough clearance there. But the blade itself, as you can see, it's solid. It looks nice. It's got, you know, for just something you would wear, it's got some decent meat to it. Standard lock. Holds it good. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what the book has to say about it. Or actually, let's just look at the prices of most all this stuff. So what kind of there's the picture of the fire starter stuff. So if you were to have bought this box, they price the forehead thermometer strips at $14. The ReadyWise breakfast skillet $9, which is about what you're going to pay for those. The Bigfoot Bushcraft fire starter is $20. The gun and knife care kit's $25. The cat light neck light is $30. The full face mask $100. And the Chibs two-tone blade is $95. So everything else is pretty self-explanatory. So let's just read about the knife. Let's see. It's a Sandvik 14C blade steel, dark acid washed flats, machine ground bevels. Let's see, textured two-tone G10 scales. It says it is a high-performance flipper knife featuring a liner lock design with a ball bearing pivot and reversible deep pocket clip for tip-up carry. Interesting. So that's what that other clip's for. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. And it says you will receive one of 3 color options. You will either receive olive, gray, or brown. We got the gray one. So again, there it is. And it's a decent sized knife. I mean, you can see in my hand, and like I said, you guys, if you've been watching my videos in the past, you know I don't have the biggest hands. So, but in my hand at least, from the very front to the back, I have a little bit of clearance on the back. So yeah, this would be the size, the overall size would be something that I would go for in just a general purpose knife. This would be in the blade length. The blade length is fine. So yeah, this would definitely be a knife that I would definitely have a use for. Okay, so that was everything from mission brief number 78. Let me know. I think this box had a lot of stuff in it that you know you're pretty much fitting everybody all into one. What I think would get some use of. I'm pretty sure there's people that might keep these. Now I would pick fun and make jokes about wearing these, but if you had somebody who was exhibiting any type of symptoms of any kind of oncoming sickness, and they started feeling bad, and they needed to rest, you could actually slap this on their forehead and let them lay down, take a nap, and when you went to check on them, being that these things work for up to 48 hours, you could actually just peek in on them and just look at their forehead, and you could see what their temperature was. So as I have thought about this while doing this video, I said, that's really not a bad idea. So, I'll retract my criticism of the forehead, the little bandage stickers. So you got some food, you got food, fire, you got a knife, light, stuff to clean your knives, your guns, and you got a mask. So I would say, all in all, this box was really a home run. It's really good. There's not no fluff items here. There's not anything in here that you would consider to be, oh man, that was just filler. And that's one of the things I'm noticing about these battle boxes, is that the products that you get, they're pretty much things that you can use. You might not have a necessary need for it, but they are, it is components that you will eventually use. So yeah, I'm still very happy with this box. Still going to continue on with them. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever, and peace. See you in the next one.